Now let's solve this problem. We are given an image of a triangle here with the sides labeled. This side is known as 2x, 6y, and this is 120. And they said the figure shown is an isosceles triangle. And if the perimeter of the triangle is 380 centimeters, we are to find x and y. Also with the hint that all these are in units of centimeters. So let's solve. Solution. Now let's interpret this question. We are told that it is an isosceles triangle. And the first thing we know about isosceles triangle is that two sides are equal. So these sides indicated are the equal sides. Hence, 2x equals 6y. So from here we can say our x would then be 6y divided by 2, which would give us 3y. Therefore, x equals 3y. This is our equation 1. The second information we are given is that the perimeter is 380 centimeters. And to get the perimeter, we have to add all the sides together. Therefore, 2x plus 6y plus 120 equals 380. So we can then say 2x plus 6y equals, from here we have 380 minus 120. So our 2x plus 6y is therefore, now 380 minus 120 will give us 260. So this is our equation 2. Now let's put the equations together so we can solve simultaneously. We have x equals 3y, equation 1, and then 2x plus 6y equals 260 as equation 2. As seen here, we can see that in our equation 1, x is already subject of the equation. Therefore, we will substitute. Substitute x equals 3y into equation 2. So that is, wherever we find x in equation 2, we'll replace it with 3y. Therefore, 2 into x, which is 3y plus 6y equals 260. Now, 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. So we have 6y plus 6y equals 260. When we add this together, we get 12y. So 12y is 260. Now let's divide both sides by 12. And then our y becomes 12 divided by 260. 12 in 26, that is 2. Remainder 2. And 12 in 20 would give us, we have, that is 1, remainder 6. No, remainder 8. So we have 8 over 12. So therefore our y becomes 21 whole number. Now, 8 divided by 12 can be written as, when we break it down, dividing by 4 would have 2 over 3 centimeter. And that's the value of y. So to get the value of x, we substitute. Y equals 12 whole number 2 over 3 into equation 1. And equation 1 says that x equals 3 into y. And our y is 12 whole number 2 over 3. Now let's check that. So our x therefore becomes 3 multiplied by, bringing this back to the improper fraction. We have 3 multiplied by 12, which is 36. And 36 plus 2 would give us 38. So 38 over 3. Now 3 cancels 3. So our x becomes 38. So therefore, x is 38 centimeters. And then y is 12 whole number 2 over 3 centimeters. Thank you.